Good morning, students of class 5. Today we are going to start our chapter of third assessment, and the name of the chapter is The Poet and the Jester. It is at page number 55 of your Oxford Reading Circle book. Now, first of all, I will show you through your book. As you can see, the chapter lies at page number 55. The Poet and the Jester. Actually, it is a bit lengthy chapter, but I will explain it to you briefly in my wording so that the interest may remain continuing between you. Poet and the Jester. Poet, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, शायर, and jester, maybe this will be a new word and most of you are not familiar of it, but I have written the meaning of it right in front of you on the board, and the meaning is a professional clown employed to entertain a king or nobleman during the older days. पुराने वक्तों में जिस तरह बादशाह का महल होता था, and there were so many people hired for different tasks performed by them for the serving of king, and among them the most important job is of a jester also, यानी मस्करा और a clown. ठीक, and the picture of that jester I have also drawn, that with a long turbine, एक पगड़ी है over his head with the moon and stars just around it, and colorful dressing is there, and he is the man who's supposed to entertain the whole crowd in the king's palace. Okay, beta. Now the story begins from a common man, and that name is Vadim. Now, a Vadim is a boy who belongs to the old town, and that the name of the town is Yantaya. Okay. He spent his whole childhood over there, and when he grew up, he became a famous poet, that he has the ability to write poems in such a good way that people around him, they appreciate him. Not only appreciate, but they ask him that why don't you go to the king and seek for a job in his palace, and they will surely give you a place. Then, by hearing such nice comments from his fellow friends in the town, the man or the boy from Yantaya, that name is Verdun, the desire just started developing in his heart that I must go to the king's palace and ask him to grant me some job, so I will serve you. अच्छा, ये जो लड़का था जिसका नाम वैदन था, ये बादशाह के महल में नौकरी करना का ख्वाहिशमंद था, क्योंकि बड़ा अच्छा शायर था. उन्हीं दिनों क्या होता है, during those days his friends told him that a very close friend of king came to visit his nearby town. Why shouldn't you go to him and ask him for a job and just tell your skills to him? By hearing such, Vadim just go there and visited Mikhailovich. Okay, now Vadim hurried to that village and found Mikhailovich. Mikhailovich is a name of a person who was very much close to the king. यानी एक बादशाह से बड़ा ही करीब तरीन उनके वज़रा में से था, वजीर में से एक आदमी हुआ करता था. तो उसके पास जाता है वैडिम, and he just begged him and requested him that please, I am here to tell you some of my poems, and I am good at reading and cracking jokes, so I would entertain you. By hearing such, the Mikhailovich, he said, okay, I'll give you permission. You are ready to tell me your poems. उसने उसे इजाज़त दी, and then by his all skills, the Vadim just delivered his poem in such a good manner that Mikhailovich gets so much impressed and said, why didn't you come in the palace of king, and the king will surely assign you some job. बहुत ज़्यादा मुतासिर होता है, बहुत उससे खुश होता है और कहता है कि तुम बादशाह के महल ज़रूर आना and give the reference of me. और अब मेरा हवाला देना, क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारे इस टैलेंट को देख चुका हूँ, परख चुका हूँ। इतने कमेंट्स ही बहुत ज़्यादा थे वेडिम के लिए। He just happily returned back to his village and he was waited for the positive reply from the palace that someday maybe some king's men they came to him and take him along with them to the palace of king, but nobody would come. After a few months or later, the wedding gets disappointed or disheartened. बहुत क्या है, शिकस्त खुर्द होने लगा और मायूस को उसकी कैफियत हो गई। तो उसने सोचा कि मैं बादशाह के महल में खुद जाता हूँ। सो ही जस्ट पैक्ड ऑल हिज नेसेसरी स्टफ लगेज एंड ऑल हिज प्रीशियस पोएम्स अलॉन्ग विद हिम। उसने तमाम अपने जो इकट्ठा की पाइल बनाया जो उसने अपनी अशार लिखे थे, एंड देन ही जस्ट लेफ्ट हिज विलेज फॉर द गुड रीजन, एक अच्छे मकसद के लिए, फॉर द गुड एम ही लेफ्ट इट, वो वहाँ से चला जाता है वेडिंग। एंड देन ही रीचेस एंड अप्रोच टू मेकैलोविक। जब वहाँ तक पहुँचता है तो उसके पास जाता है, बट एज अ शॉकिंग रिएक्शन ऑफ मेकैलोविक ही जस्ट रिफ्यूज टू रिकॉग्नाइज हिम, उसे पहचानने से इनकार कर देता है, एंड जस्ट गिव एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लो मेमोरी कि मैं तो तुम्हें नहीं जानता, विच इज़ अ वेरी मच डिसअपॉइंटमेंट फ्रॉम हिम, जो उसका दिल तोड़ देती है और वो बिल्कुल मायूस सा हो जाता है। उसके बाद क्या होता है, तो वहाँ से लौट जाता है और अपने गार्ड्स को हुक्म देता है, नॉट ओनली refused to recognize him, but also ordered his guards to just throw this man out of my home. And then, by following his orders, all the soldiers they just threw him out from the big house of Mechalovic. By facing such an attitude or an insulting behavior of Mechalovic, Vadim becomes so much disheartened and crying in his heart and thought that what did happen to me, ऐसा मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, उसने तो मुझसे वादा किया था। बट ऑब्वियसली ऐसा ही होता है कि बाज़ लोग वादा करके भूल जाते हैं। फिर क्या हुआ, वो सुनता है कि वहीं पर एक जेस्चर आया है। जेस्चर मीन्स जो मैं आपको शुरू में बता चुकी हूँ, ओके आई शो यू फ्रॉम योर बुक एज वेल। सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज अ सीन ऑफ Mechalovic and this is Vadim and all the soldiers they are here, and Mechalovic ordered them to throw this man out of his house.